Hey, how's it going everyone? In this video I'm gonna explain how you can easily add subtitles to your videos on YouTube and how you can automatically transcribe your videos, create SRT files and upload them to your YouTube videos as subtitles. Alright, to get started, head over to YouTube and make sure you're logged in and simply head over to the right top corner where you can see the camera icon, click on it and then click on upload video. So next thing we want to do is upload the video to YouTube. We want to add subtitles to. I'm going to click on select files, select the video I want to import or upload and click on open. And now the video is being imported and you will see the regular screen you normally see when you import or upload a video. As you might know, you can add your title, your description, your thumbnails, anything you like in this section. Now, if we take a closer look at the top menu, you can see we're on the details now and we need to head over to video elements. In this menu, you should be able to find add subtitles, which gives you the opportunity to add subtitles to your YouTube video, of course. So to get started, simply click on add on the right. So now we can start adding subtitles. And as you might see, there are three options you can consider. On top, you have upload file, which basically means you can upload separate SRT files, for instance, to your videos on YouTube, which will basically serve as subtitles. In a moment, I'll show you how you can do this automatically, and it's the most easy solution in my opinion, but let's continue. We're gonna get back to that. Next, we have auto sync, which basically means you can type in or paste a full transcript of the audio of the video and it will automatically sync with the subtitle timing. And the third option is to add subtitles manually, which we're gonna do now. So I'm gonna click on type manually. And now, as you can see, there's a text box in which you can type your text in and you can play back the video and listen to what it says. Hey, how's it going everyone? Hey, how's it going everyone? So I'm gonna type that over. The next thing I'm going to do is trim the subtitle layer. So let's hear when the next sentence starts. How's it going everyone? So I'm going to click on the subtitle layer and click and drag it from the side to shorten it. Next, I want to add another caption box. So I'm going to click on caption or the little plus icon and then type whatever I say there. So welcome to my YouTube channel. And again, we're going to listen to when it stops. So welcome to my YouTube channel. Round about here. So I'm going to click and drag the side again to this point. So that's how you basically continue the cycle, and that's how you add captions to your videos on YouTube. I am aware this can be time consuming, especially if the video is very long. Therefore, I'm going to show you how you can automatically transcribe your video, create an SRT file and upload it to your YouTube video. In this example, we're going to use VEED's online video editor for that. And to get started, click on the first link in the description. When you're in the editor, all you need to do is click on upload a file, upload the video you want to turn into subtitles and click on open. To create an SRT file, I want to auto transcribe my video. So I'm going to head over to subtitles on the left, click on auto subtitle, select the language I speak in this video. In this case, it's English, and I'm going to click on create subtitles. Now, all you need to do is sit back, relax, and wait until it's finished. And when the subtitles are created, you'll find that everything should be in sync and accurate, but feel free to customize the subtitles just the way you like before downloading it as an SRT file. Now, to upload the SRT file to your YouTube video, all you need to do is click on upload file. Make sure with timing is selected because we have an SRT file. It's already in there, which is great. And then we're going to click on continue. Select the SRT file and then click on open. And there you have it. So as you can see, the subtitles are in here. The timestamps are accurate. Let's play back the video. Hey, how's it going everyone? So welcome to my YouTube channel. Nice, amazing. And just so you know, even after uploading your SRT file, you can fully customize the subtitles and timestamps just the way you like. And then to finalize the process, all you need to do is click on done in the right top corner. And just so you know, you can also use VEED as an editor and create astonishing videos with animated subtitles, images, music. You have a video stock library. You can easily change the aspect ratio. You can add progression bars, audio visualizers, and much, much more. You can try it out for free through the link in the description. All right, that's how you easily add subtitles to your YouTube videos. I hope this video was helpful. Have a nice day and good luck.